Welcome. In this video we're going to be talking about uploading documents to Google Drive. And this is going to be something you're going to be required to do for the Ohio Teacher Showcase project in order to turn in your videos and your lesson plans. Now we have asked you to adhere to some naming conventions for your documents, and that's just something I want you to keep in mind. You can see those here on the screen right now. You can also find those on the Showcase website. So if you're looking at the Showcase website, you're going to see in the navigation a link for submitting files, and if you click where it says submitting files, you can access those there as well if you forget what those naming conventions were. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to navigate over to my drive, drive.google.com, and I'm signed in, and what I want to do right now is upload some content, whether you have a PDF or a Word document, whatever you've used for your lesson plan, your support materials. If you've not created them in Google Drive, you'll need to upload those. So I'm going to click on the Upload button right next to the Create button, and I'm going to choose Files. And now I'm going to need to find my file. Here we are, it's a Word document. And it may ask you if you want to convert that to a Google format. If you're thinking about collaborating or editing it once it's online, you will want to convert those documents to Google format. Otherwise, we don't need to worry about that. So I'm going to start the upload, and now it's in my drive. Okay. Now remember that we have those naming conventions to apply. So if you did not name your document according to those naming conventions on your own computer, what you're going to want to do is click the box next to your document in your drive, and under More, you're going to select Rename, and that's what I'm going to do right now. So I'm going to apply those naming conventions. In this case, this is a support material. So I would write the name of my district, and then I would type my last name. And then this is support materials. And since this is my second one, I'm going to put a 2 there. All right, fantastic. Now another thing you're going to want to do, and we do talk about this later in the video about submitting your files if you're not quite ready for that yet, but you are going to want to check the sharing permissions on this document. So I've checked this box. I'm going to click on the Share button, and I'm going to click Change and change that to anyone with a link or public on the web. Do public. Done. Okay. And then those are in your drive ready for you to use. Now if you'd like to organize those, you can create a folder, which we definitely recommend you do. Folders can be created under the Create button. Select Folder, give it a name. I already have a Showcase folder here, so if I want to put this document in my Showcase folder, I simply select it, click the folder icon, and find my Showcase folder. I'm going to move it, and now it's there. So it's that simple. Upload your documents, make sure that you are adhering to those naming conventions, and you'll be ready to go to turn those in, which we talk about in a later video. Thank you.